Hello, today I will show you how to share your screen during meetings. So all you have to do is to launch your Zoom application. To start, you have to tap this new meeting here. This is a very easy tutorial. So all you have to do here is to just simply join first with computer audio. And then below you can see here options like mute, stop video, security, participants, and so on. All you have to do is to look for the button that says share screen. Okay. So once you tap that share screen, you are allowed to share whatever you are doing on your screen. And the participants or those people who are looking or joining your call or meeting, they can see what you're sharing on your screen. For example, advanced files, application. So anything, you can just simply tap this one and you can share whatever you're doing here on your screen. For a whiteboard, for example, you want to present something, all you have to do is just simply go to whiteboard, type anything here, and always remember that the participants or the people who are joining your meeting, they can see whatever you're typing here. So aside from whiteboard, you can also share PowerPoint. Okay, you just have to tap this presentation here, and then people or participants can see your presentation. And you can do anything here. You can add pictures, you can add videos, and then after that, aside from this whiteboard, aside from this presentation, you can also share YouTube videos. For example, you want to watch a movie or any music video or a song. So you just have to go to your YouTube and all the participants can see whatever your video here or whatever you are watching at this very moment. Okay. Okay, so aside from PowerPoint presentation, whiteboard, even phone, and YouTube, you can share anything here on your computer, sites, applications, or even files. So that's it. That's how easy it is to share your screen during meetings. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.